Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a unboxing and a quick review of the Silver Bullet garden hose here. This is a device by Bubhead. As you can see, it says #1 expanding hose. We're going to try to see if this is actually true. They state it's lightweight, no kinks, stored easily. It's protected over 100 patents. And it has 3 adjustable settings here, as you can see right here. This is a bonus nozzle that actually comes with this. This is the actual 50-foot version. They have a 25 and 100-foot version as well. Here's the front right here. Is the Home Improvement Guru. As you've probably seen this on the commercials, stated it's lead free, so it's safe if you wanted to drink from this actual hose right here. Here's the side again, right here. Pretty much the same all around. Here's the top. Let you know right here, it's an easy opening package. Right here. Right here, you push this down, and you can just pull it right open right here to open it. Or you can actually see if the ridges in there, poke all these out, and you pull it like this, it opens. Right there, so we take a look at the material. Completely off. Right here, it says pocket hose with the inside of it. Okay. And now here is the spray nozzle right here. Turn to spray right here. Extended life, store indoors when not in use, probably because it's gonna rust. So they're telling you right here, remove this nozzle to use your own spray nozzle. So, which we do have a spray nozzle I do want to use. Check out one of the other coming up videos for the Orbit gear sprinkler, which I'm going to use this for, so that way in the winter time it can retract. But this video here is just the quick unboxing and review of this Silver Bullet pocket hose. Alright, so we're going to go try to hook this up and actually measure the feet to make sure it's actually 50 feet for you guys. Try to give you everything that you need to know. Seems like it's some kind of stretched nylon and maybe some plastic within the inside. I've seen a couple of videos, did some research. I mean, nothing's perfect, but pretty much the reviews were solid. So we're gonna put it to the test and see, turn it on and see if everything is gonna work as they say it would. So alright, so next step, I'll meet you guys outside. Okay guys, so we are outside. So this is the new Silver Bullet hose, and I'm about to switch it out. As you can see, it's been in a drought. Trying to get the grass watered more efficiently before I hook up this Orbit irrigation system. So here is the new hose, and that is the old hose over there. So go ahead and pull this out for you so we can actually see what else is in here. Here's your washers. And we pull it out right here. Okay, so they do have instructions, look like, on the inside as well as warning instructions. So we'll actually get those out so we can make sure we're hooking this up correctly. So go ahead and pull this out. Okay guys, so here are the instructions here. Step 1 is to remove it from the packaging. 2 is ensure the adjustable spray aluminum nozzle is attached tightly to there. So that would be this. We need to make sure this is properly screwed on tight, which I've already done. It's not moving anymore. And we'll remove this as well. And the third step says attach the pocket hose to the water supply of your home, which will be this right here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and attach it. Okay, as you guys can see, we do have it attached right here. They did give us washers, so we're gonna turn it on and make sure that it's not leaking. There's the hose. So let's go ahead and stretch it out. Like we said, we're gonna make sure that it's over the 50 feet right here. So let me go ahead and stretch it out. Okay, so we did stretch it out, and right here we go all the way right here to the water hose nozzle. And how you can tell if it's 50 feet, you know, the traditional method is you go ahead and take that walk. I won't count all the way to 50, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we keep going. All right, it is 50 feet, so you just want to make sure nobody drew a 25-inch hose in a 50 feet packaging. All right, so the next step is, as we review this silver bullet, we're going to go ahead and turn it on and see how this thing works once it's expanded. All right, we turn it on together for the first time, guys. Turn it on. As we can see, seeing it for the first time. Testing out the water pressure as we go. It is expanding. Stretch it out now. All right, we pick it up and let's go ahead and turn it on. It says turn the spray. Okay, so we turned it on. You can see it's not all the way open, but if you don't want that much pressure, you can just turn it on a little bit. And we turn it some more. You can see the pressure starts to get a little stronger, and it actually gets to go a little longer. It's right here. The hose is starting to get more pressure. As we fully open it up, some more comes out. It's like the more you open it up, it comes like more of a mist. You see that? Now if we close it back, it gives you a little bit more of a stream. The stream, then the more you open it up, it becomes more mist-like. So it depends on what it is. So like you said, it does have 3 settings. Let's just open it up all the way, which is probably going to be complete mist. Let's see. Yep, open it up all right. So it's spray to turn right here. Here's the inside of it. You spray the yard. As you can see, the drought is causing these little dry marks in here. 80% of the grass is fine. And so far it's okay. It says no kinks. It's a little twisted, but it's not stopping the pressure of the water. But let's go ahead and walk with it a little bit and see how if the pressure increases. Okay, so as you can see, it's no kinks, just like it said. So we passed that review test. Actually, the pressure did get a little stronger, as you see. Turn it down a little bit. And actually sprays pretty far. Okay guys, well here's the review of the Silver Bullet pocket garden hose. Like I said, stay tuned to the next videos on the channel as I review the Orbit sprinkler that I'm going to hook up to this. You can bury this line, that way I can position it over here, and then it will shoot out over here and it can sprinkle the yard, save on the irrigation system. But thanks for watching guys. This again is the review of the Silver Bullet pocket garden hose. Make sure you subscribe, and thanks for watching.